Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is Audra with MyBlindCo, and this video is about our new feature, the lead management feature. And we're really excited about this. Historically, with MyBlindCo, you enter contacts in as customers, but now with the new feature, you can actually manage contacts at a whole new level. You can manage them at leads, builders, decorators, and vendors. So here on the lead management one, the whole goal is to help you convert leads to customers. So what you see here is lead status. So when a new lead comes in, you can actually assign it to a salesperson, and then that salesperson can be responsible for contacting that customer and scheduling the appointment. There's about 5 different statuses: first contact, second contact, appointment scheduled, and then quoted. So if it stays in a certain status too long, it'll actually turn colors. Like, for example, green is current, but if it's in that stage for more than 3 days, it'll turn yellow and then red. In addition, when you convert a quote to an order, that lead goes from being a lead to a customer. And that's what we want, right? We want that quote converted to an order. You can also run reports on your leads. We've added a new lead management report where you can see your list of leads, what status they are in that, what's their lead status? Have they been quoted? Has the appointment been scheduled? And you can also sort by status. So if you come up to the search bar, you can type in quoted. It'll show you all your quoted jobs. So again, if you see a bunch of quoted that are red, that means they've been sitting there probably too long, and it prompts you to reach out to them via either email or phone number. So what you see here works the same way on the iPad version. So if I come to the right, this is my list of customers, and then I can select on my leads, and this will show all the leads I have. All right, guys, so that's the new lead management feature. Let us know if you have any questions.